对方就是没救了，怎么办呀？
In nomine Patris et Filii et
ฉันว่าแม่
Huh? Baba Bowie.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Come here, big boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Are you stuck? We can't get by? Oh, oh, you're stuck.
Living with Cat is like traveling without a compass. That look means you're not on the same level with him at all, puppy. Hey, Greg, move your big butt aside. I'm coming in. Jeez, how can you sleep all day like that? Cat goes in first with a surprising move, but that's not enough to beat an experienced fighter.
Hey there, what's your name? Maybe wanna be my buddy? I would love to be your buddy. Wanna be mine?
Man, he must be fighting intensely with the curiosity rising inside of him. Bro, you won't have any friends with that look all the time.
Come on, boys.
There is something they're afraid of, and it's no big ones. Never save food because you won't know when it gets stolen. Simply, it means you won't have time to feel boring because interesting games are already around. If you raise both cat and dog at home, these arguments exist like air and water.
duckling. Do I love you? I suppose so. Do I like you? No. Am I plotting for ways to annoy you? Always.
That's more than a greeting. It's a sign of friendship forever.
Good boy. That's a nice boy. That's a nice...
Cute boy might haven't known how to talk with him yet, but with that sincere, it's just a matter of time.
That's a nice boy, Fasha.
You're a good girl. Yeah, you.
How a dog entertains itself every day without going outside? This is the answer.
Yeah.
Hey, pup, I need to go to the toilet. Do you hear me? He successfully persuaded them to eat vegetable. That's truly a lifetime's achievement.
Show it on the side.
Any couple of brothers before the camera and behind it. Hey, wake up, buddy. Our mom is home. It's about the dinner time.
Be nice.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.
Shh, what's the problem here? Is he in your bed? Yeah.
What in the world? Oh!
I'm Surrender. Sir, for whatever I didn't do. Hey, get off! Not all people can handle children well, and so does he. Poor dog is just too shy. When there is a favorite child in the house, and you can't do anything because you're its brother. The dog has learned a lesson that he must always be wary of those near him. His house now belongs to the cat.
I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
It seems like Kitty just stepped one foot onto dog's land, and that's not so right. According to the way Kitty still doesn't get angry, they're definitely besties. It must be so difficult for a cat to live with a walking coffee can. And it's definitely not easy for dog to live being teased like this every day. Like, bro, do you have nothing to do?
What you're working on, you need high quality tools at a great price. And that's what we...
Cat just learned a new sports, and he looks so ready to instantly catch a big one.
Quality tools, lowest prices.
What is this feeling? Is there someone watching me? Turn out, the fable about the ugly duckling does happen in reality. They're definitely homies. Easy peasy, everyone is gonna have its kisses. Father is very fair. No good friend can stand still after seeing his homie being sad like that. Those pets will help. Actually, anyone having a wise mind knows that messing with cat is a mistake.
Show me your cat is broken by showing me your cat is broken. Here, I'll go first.
No, madam. He's just collecting information to teach that dog a lesson later. As you all see, cat only throws essential punches. They always have a tactic. Rarely do we see a cat losing, but well, it's a speed game after all.